A pre-owned Jeep Wrangler is a fun and stylish vehicle that comes with advanced entertainment and communication features. For a pre-owned SUV with character, there's no better place to buy your next vehicle than at Westbury Jeep Chrysler Dodge in Jericho, New York. When you buy from us, you become a lifetime VIP for free. That means you get free oil changes, free New York State inspections, and free towing, rescue service, and loaner car if your vehicle needs repair. Visit our interactive website at www.westburyjeep.com to take advantage of our internet specials and start saving now. See our expansive inventory of used vehicles. View our customers' testimonials to hear firsthand why buying with us is the best choice. And discover why we're the #1 certified pre-owned Jeep Chrysler dealer in the Northeast USA. We're conveniently located at 100 Jericho Turnpike in Jericho, New York.